When every second counts, you need AlarmGard. In a fire, time is crucial. Minutes can mean the difference between salvageable property and devastating damage. Seconds can mean the difference between life and death. AlarmGard advanced closing systems save you this precious time. AlarmGard connects directly into your building's central alarm system or local smoke detector. So during an alarm event such as a fire or power outage, your fire doors close automatically. This contains the flames and stops the smoke spread that is so damaging to property and life. After the alarm event, the fire doors reset automatically without human interaction, so you can focus on getting back up and running, not racing to reset your fire doors. It's time to stop worrying about potential loss and damage. It's time to stop spending your facility's budget on resetting your fire doors. It's time to install AlarmGard.